Hello. At this point, you should have watched lectures 1, 2, and 3, the videos for that. And now you're ready to do another exercise. You should have also completed exercise number 1. This is exercise number 2, and we're going to play a game. We're going to play Tetris. Okay, so here is the instructions. Okay, so I'm sure you're familiar with Tetris already. It's a fun game, but it absolutely tests and builds your spatial thinking. So there's a PDF, and hopefully you have downloaded that or printed that out, and you can look at that. It's really important that you look at the PDF and just don't jump into this. Okay. And on the PDF, I've provided you a link for one of the Tetris games that's available out there. And there are many of them, and maybe you have one on your phone, maybe you already have one on your computer. This particular one has an ad at the beginning, so I'm sorry you got to wait through the ad a little bit. But once you do that, it's actually works easily. There's instructions there in case you've never played Tetris before, so that you know what keys to use on your computer to do that. Okay, if you're a novice and you've never done this before, try it out, read the instructions, and do a little self-test for a couple of minutes just to make sure you got it nailed down before you actually start the exercise. Okay, again, all these instructions are on the PDF. So please read the full page of instructions, mostly because I ask you to do two things. One, I ask you to play the game twice, but never more than 10 minutes. Okay, so if you make a mistake and the thing builds up on you and stops before 10 minutes, that's fine. But I don't want you, if you're an expert at this, I don't want you playing for 3 hours. Play for 10 minutes, okay? And you can record your score. So it'll ask you your time and your score. And then there's a bunch of questions, 4 of them, at the end. Okay? And you don't have to write out the answers, but I want you to think about the questions, and then I want you to think at least in your mind, the answer to the questions, because it will help you become aware more of spatial thinking. Okay. Feel free to write out the answers if you want to, but there is no hand in, there is no grading of this. This is for your fun, right? Okay. So play Tetris, have fun, but make sure that you're thinking about how this helps your spatial thinking as you do it. How does it relate? How does it connect with what you've been learning from listening to the 3 lectures at this point? So have a great time, and I'll see you in lecture number 4. Thanks.